Hey you guys, welcome to my video today. I hope you're having a super awesome day. I am doing my lunch meal prep for the week, and I'm using my favorite thing in the universe, Palmini Hearts of Palm shaped linguine noodles. If you have been around my channel, you know how obsessed I am with these. If you are new to my channel, welcome, and go check out all my other Palmini recipes. So this Palmini brand, it is a small business. They were on Shark Tank, the TV show. So they make these noodle shapes out of hearts of palm. So each serving is 4 grams of carbs and 20 calories. So crazy low in calories and carbs. And it looks just like a pasta, and it is such a great pasta substitute. I seriously am in love with this. So I am going to be making the Palmini with, I don't know if you remember, it was a couple of years ago, but this totally viral recipe came out with feta, and then you just bake it with cherry tomatoes. It came out like years ago, and so I haven't made it in a while, but when I made it back then, oh my gosh, it is so good. It makes like the most delicious, like rich sauce, and very, very easy. So I'm going to make the super awesome feta pasta sauce with my Palmini. So this is kind of a vegetarian, well, it is a vegetarian meal for the week. You can always add some ground beef or ground turkey as well. But I'm gonna make this all up. It is so quick and easy. If you have been around my channel, you know that all of my recipes are very simple. So if you need some meal prep inspiration, make sure you click subscribe and click the bell button next to subscribe. I post my lunch meal prep videos on Saturday mornings, and I share with you every single week what I'm having for lunch, all prepped and ready to go for the week. I love to be organized. I always have a super hectic schedule. So having lunch and breakfast meal prepped and ready to go is definitely the way for me. It keeps me so much happier when I'm organized. And when I have something healthy, I can just grab from the refrigerator. So I'm going to get this super easy and healthy lunch all made up. I will show you how I make it. So this feta sauce it's so good. There is so much flavor. If you have not made it before, definitely give it a shot because it is so easy. So I'm using like a brick of feta cheese. You can also use like a container of the crumbled feta and just put that right in the center for the feta part. And then I'm using 2 little containers of cherry tomatoes, and they are going to be just really good, all nice and cooked when they get all soft, and they just mix up really well with the feta cheese. So I'm going to add in a little bit of olive oil. I will toss these around, then I'll add in a little bit of dried basil also, and then I'm going to put this in the oven. I have it preheated, so I'm going to put it in the oven at 350 for about 20 minutes, and then everything will get nice and soft, and I will then mix it all together to make the sauce. So while the sauce is cooking up, I'm going to have my Palmini noodles. I'm going to take them out of the can and drain them in my strainer. So this is what they look like. They look just like a noodle, but it's hearts of palm. So I'm just going to take them out of the can into my strainer. I'm using 2 cans for this, and I'm just going to rinse them. And then they're ready to go. You don't even have to cook them. They are definitely the easiest things ever. I love any kind of no-cook things I can add into my meal prep that are definitely super healthy. These are so healthy. So I just can't get enough of these. I will put the link to them in the description box. I get them on Amazon and just sent straight to my house, which is so convenient. So I'm just going to let these just drain so that all the water just drains right off of them, and then they'll be ready to go. So my tomatoes and feta are out of the oven, so I'm just going to mix it all together and just kind of smush the tomatoes, crush them, and then mix them all with the feta, and it's going to be just a great combination. So it's all mixed up, and then it's not the prettiest sauce in the world, but it is so rich and it is so good. All right, so this was like the easiest meal prep ever. I'm gonna portion it all out into my meal prep containers, so we are ready to go. I just love easy meal preps, and this one is definitely like one of the easiest. So I'm gonna add in my hearts of palm linguine noodles on bottom. I'm gonna add on the sauce on top. Like, this sauce is so rich and creamy, and it is delicious. So this lunch will be so awesome for this week. Okay, so this sauce isn't like the prettiest sauce there ever is, but it's so good and really, really easy. So I don't really care what it looks like as long as it tastes good and it's healthy, right? So this is all ready to go, all prepped for the week. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you need some more motivation to do some healthy meal prepping, check out the rest of the videos on my channel. I hope you have a really great day. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.